alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Fazilat Fatma and I have been studying in Al-Manar Educare for 6 years.
My name is Naki Asraf and I am studying class 8. This is our last year in this school. I came in 2014 in class 4th.
My name is Salia Naz. I am studying now in class 8. I joined Al-Manar in the year 2014. I have been reading here since the school has been established. I have grown in this school. I have been reading here from class 2. I have seen the school growing and I have grown with the school. When I came here, I was 9 years old. Sir, all teachers have seen me growing and now I am here.
I am Adnan Siddiqui. I am the student of class 8th. I have been studying here since 2014, from 7 years, when the school was established.
Myself, Fadatik. I am a student of class 8th. Today, I am going to share my feelings with you. Dear friends, I have been reading here since 2014 from 7 years.
I am Rafi Sultan. I am in class 8. I have joined this school in class 6 in 2018.
My name is Abu Zaid. I study class 8th. I have joined Al-Manar Educare area in 2014.
My name is Shanwaz Jain. I study in class 8. I have been studying here since 2014 and this is my last year.
I am Rima Shams of class 8. I entered the school in class 3rd.
My name is Mohammad Muzammil Alam. I have been studying here since 2014 for 7 years.
I am Saman Naz and I am from class 8. I have been reading in this school since 2015. I first joined this school in class 3rd and today I am in class 8.
My name is Ashar Adib and I have been studying here since 2015 for almost 6 years.
My name is Danish Iqbal. Studying class 8th. I am studying from 2014 when the school was established.
I am Antama Shahzad from Araria. I have been studying here since 2014, almost 7 years.
My name is Tabish Faz. I have been studying here since 2014 and from that time I was living in hostel.
My name is Atif Alam and I had been studying in this school for almost 7 years.
My name is Maria Nazmin and I am from class 8. I have been reading in this school since 2015 from my class 3rd.
My name is Musharraf Hussain. I study in class 8. I am studying in Al-Manar for almost 6-7 years. Since the month of April, the year 2014, I have studied here since class 2 to, as we all know, class 8.
I am Abu Umama. I have been studying here since 2014, almost 7 years.
My name is Arish Ashad and I am in class 8. I have been studying in Al-Manar Educare for last 7 years. And I came here in 2 class and that was the starting of the school.
My name is Abdullah Mubarak. I am studying in class 8 and I have been studying from 2013 or 14.
My name is Abdul Mateen. I am the student of class 8. I have been studying since 2016 when I was in class 2.
There are 7 years of memories, uncountable memories here. Some sour and some sweet. And we had lots of fun in sports day meet. We quarreled with other houses for our houses, and with the teachers, with the in charge, we quarreled for the marks. And I learned so many things here. I knew here what the Islam actually is. This school and the teachers here encouraged us a lot, and this school made me perform the Salah. I actually knew what Salah is, the importance of Salah. The special thing about this school is that the teachers are fully devoted to the school. Every time they think how to make the school better day by day, and they know every plus points and the negative points of their students. And in my opinion, this is the best school, not because I have reading here since years, but I have experienced this. I have seen the conditions of other schools. My friends studies in other schools, and I've seen in other school directors come minimum 1 day in a month, but here the directors know everything about their students, and the teachers here are very friendly to the students. They teach their students in a funny way, which we enjoy a lot, and I enjoyed a lot. And Affan sir's inspirational speeches, which inspire us a lot. He set a perfect example for all of the students. Director sir's funny act teaching make us laugh a lot, and leader sir's funny jokes and his anger, which we had to encounter a lot, and Samad sir's childish acts, Cashier's English and his English scoldings. We will miss all this a lot. It's very difficult for us to leave this school.
When I came Al-Manar Educare, I was very small. I was very afraid from the teachers, and I was, as you know, I was in the hostel, and I always used to run from the hostel without the permission of the teacher. I do not want to study, and I was not thinking about my life. But at the last time when I ran away from the hostel, Chairman sir went to my house, and he tried to make me understand many things. He was explaining in the manner of a guardian. On that very day, I started to think that teacher could be a guardian. If teacher could be a guardian, he might be our friend. From that day, I started to attract to my teachers. There were very much important points for me, which is unnumberable, which I do not make you count. But some of them are the story of jackfruit in hostel. The main character in that story was Mr. Sahil and many other boys. We were in hostel, we had fun, we always to play with teachers.
Back then I was not good at studies and anything. I could not go to the stage, and I had stage fear a lot. But as you are seeing now, I am in front of the camera. That means there is some improvement, not a lot of improvement, but there is some improvement. I have a few friends and batchmates I will remember forever. Teachers were all good. Teachers were supportive, and they helped in other things were more important than studies. I am taking away a lot of memories from this school. Still, this was one of the best part of my life currently. It is one of the best part of my life. I was bullied a little bit, but I am still good enough.
When I joined this school, I have seen new environment in this school. Everyone was strange for me. On that time, Director Sir, Aisha ma'am, Umama ma'am, Sadaf ma'am, and whole Al-Manar family help us to increase my confidence level to study here. They teach me like own child. And another thing is that in class 6, once I given us a project, topic was purifications of water. On that project, I thought that how I make that project in working model. It's very difficult if you have any idea in your mind and you have to implement in practical model. It's very difficult. According to my view, this type of thinking power comes from this school. This school not tells us kya soche, it tells us kaise soche, which was very special for me. After that, I completed that project and it's worked properly. A big thanks for all the teachers of Al-Manar.
And in this school, I have many important and interesting movements in this school. And there was also in class 6 Salah chart. This was to offer prayers. There were many flowers in that chart. We offer Salah. We have to color this make us to pray Salah. And that all. And there is also one thing, that there is Arabic language also. We have to learn Arabic language. First I came there, I was not recognizing the words, and I didn't understand, but slowly I understand how to read and write Arabic. And
when I came here, I was not frank to all of the children and all of the teachers. But when I came in this school, the environment of this school, the Islamic environment, the friendly environment, which is the masterpiece of this school, I became very frank, and I feel that I am very precious for my society, for my country. Then I start studying well. I was already, today's I am not very well, but I work hard, and I also started participating in co-curricular activities. I started singing songs, nazms. My hobby is singing. I want to make you listen a nazm which I sang very earlier, which is of Allama Iqbal. It is a message to the children of Islamic environment and Islamic. कभी ऐ नौजवां मुस्लिम तसव्वुर भी किया तूने, वो क्या गरदू था तू जिसका है एक टूटा हुआ तारा, तुझे उस कौम ने पाला है आगोश मोहब्बत में, कुचल डाला था जिसने पाँव में ताजे सरेदारा। कभी ऐ नौजवां मुस्लिम तसव्वुर भी किया तूने, वो क्या गरदू था तू जिसका है एक टूटा हुआ तारा, तुझे उस कौम ने पाला है आगोश मोहब्बत में, कुचल डाला था जिसने पाँव में ताजे सरेदारा। It's very long, but I should skip here.
From the beginning, I am living in hostel, in the hostel of this school, Al-Manar hostel, and we are the second batch of this school. And as we know that all the teachers are very good and they are transparent, and the juniors and the students are also very good, and our batchmates are very good. They help us, and the teachers also help us in all the occasions and all the purpose, for all the purpose. And when we need help, the teachers also give us help, and the batchmates also help us. My most enjoyable class is class 7th.
Here all the teachers are so good. Their way of teaching, their inspirational speeches, they teaches us that what is wrong in us and how to improve it.
We are the second batch of this school, this prestigious school. I have experienced many things here, and I always liked the things here and of the environment created by the teachers, and especially the directors and all. I have found them all very good in things and many things. The juniors and all our batchmates and our seniors were also very good, and they treated us in very fair manner, and the teachers were also very encouraging. And with the passage of time, we learned and we got what we call in Urdu shoor. That's, I think, the English meaning is maturity, and that what created in us in a very human feeling, and it also helped in till now in my life, and with dealing with many problems. And I think it would also help us in the future things, I mean future circumstances, problems, and it would also help us in guiding our future things, future aims, and many other things, I think.
When I came to school, everything and every person was very strange for me, as I don't know anyone. But after a week or two, I became very comfortable with teachers and students here. I have so many memories in this school of our sports day, functions, and many competition days in sports day where every students were quarreling with other houses for their marks to support their houses, and with teachers also. We have so many funs, and in Teachers' Day we were made teachers. In the place of teacher, we were handling the school, and this is our last year. We have to go here, but it will be very difficult to go from here, as we are part of Al-Manar family since 6 years.
When I come this school, I knew nothing. I was not able to run in my selected class, but after the blessings of Allah, it was only my teachers and school managements who have spent their precious times, their days and nights to make me able for something. Therefore, I am so thankful to all my teachers. I am also thankful to my director sir and managing director sir who provided us a good environment for all activities. I am also thankful to all my classmates as well as all my juniors who have given me a respect for being a senior. Today, I am going out of this school, but I will miss you so much. I will never forget my school's blessing.
I love this school's culture, and I am very thankful for all my teachers and my dear friends who gave me support, and I am very thankful for this school, for my teachers, ma'am, and all my friends.
These 7 years I experienced so many things. The teachers here treated us like their own child, and they never उन लोगों ने कभी मेहनत से जी नहीं चुराई. They always constantly gave their efforts on us to be a good person. They not only taught us our course books and all, they taught us how to be a good human. They taught us what is wrong and what is right. Unlike other schools, just teachers come and tell them the course chapters and all. Here teachers tell us each and everything. They give so much efforts on us, and we will miss so much. And in the school like Al-Manar, students get too many opportunities to do things, and here events like happen like English week, Maths week, in which there is fun as well as study. They teach us with fun. All the teachers like Ikhwan sir, he always make us laugh, and like Irfan sir who has his inspirational speeches which inspire us so much. And other teachers always, the teacher who don't teach us did not act like as they don't know. They also talk with us with the fun, and they are just like family members, and we will miss this so much. And I got the opportunity here in so many things, in Maths week, in English week. I got the opportunity to play chess on district level in the school. I'm very thankful to all the teachers who gave so much effort on me and improved my English, Maths and all things. I will miss all of them so much, and I don't know how will I say goodbye to this school, but I'll have to, as I have to run forward in my life and do something to make the name of the school more brighter, and all of the teachers, सारे teachers का नाम रोशन करना है मुझे, and so I will, inshallah.
I had many experiences with my friends and my teachers. This school means my teachers were very good, and my friends were also very good. They cooperated us with so much that I can't deliver it with you. Our director, Ikhwan Ahmed Kamil sir, and managing director Irfan Ahmed Kamil sir cooperated so much and gave us a very good environment for us to read and to understand it.
When I came in this school, it was very difficult for me to stay here. But as the day passed, I have enjoyed in this school very much. The inspirational speeches of Irfan sir inspires us so much, and the way director sir teaches us is very good.
All the teachers are good and they support me. A big thank you for Al-Manar family.
I enjoy in this school very well. The teachers cooperate me.
I have experienced very good things here, like means it is very special school which does not only give us how to read our courses, it tells us how to live our life happily, how to live our life simply, and it means full of happiness. And this school, one of the best thing which this school gives us, that it tells us how to relate our religion into our daily life, which religion हमारे लिए एक part of life बन जाता है, ना ही कि हमारे लिए burden बनता है. Our teachers give so much effort in this, and Irfan sir's inspirational speech, which is very special for us, and director sir's speech, that and his way of teaching, and they always teach us what is happening and what is right and wrong, which was very special. And all sir's effort is very much bigger than our expectations, and there are many things which we can learn by fun and with so much good things like English week, Maths week. And one of the best things was that on Teachers Day, our teacher make us teacher of junior student, which make us feel how they effort to teach us. उसमें हम लोग को लगता है कि कितनी मेहनत करते हैं वो। जब हम लोगों ने एक बार करके देखा कि हम लोगों किसी बच्चे को पढ़ा के देखा, जब ऐसा लगता है, विच वॉज वेरी स्पेशल। एंड अ वेरी बिग थैंक यू टू ऑल द टीचर्स एंड मेम्बर्स ऑफ अल्मनार एजुकेशन।
I will like to tell my juniors that मेहनत से जी मत चुराना। मतलब टीचर्स बहुत ज़्यादा हम पे मेहनत कर रहे हैं, तो अगर फन इज़ अनदर थिंग एंड स्टडीइंग कैन बी डन विद फन, सो वी हैव टू डू दैट। एंड अगर यहाँ अच्छे से पढ़ लिए तो हम लोग कहीं भी जा सकते हैं। एंड cooperate with teachers and give them as much effort as they are giving to you. Thank you.
At last, my message for all the juniors is that study with fun and follow the advice of teachers. Thanks.
I want to give the message to the juniors that as the teachers are working so hard, they also वो भी उनको उतना ही दें, जितना वो करते हैं उतना ही वो मेहनत करें ताकि वो अच्छा कर सकें। और अगर वो अच्छा करेंगे तो स्कूल बहुत आगे जाएगा, और टीचर्स तो कर ही रहे हैं। एंड आई विश दैट दिस स्कूल रीच द हाईएस्ट पीक्स ऑफ सक्सेस।
I give the message to the juniors. Be transparent to your teacher.
I want to give my juniors a message that you should ask doubt. You should not think that the teacher will not tell me. The other students will laugh. Don't think, but just you ask doubt. They will surely clear.
At last, my message for junior is that study with fun and follow the instructions of teachers. Allama Iqbal says that on hard working is that खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा खुद ये बंदे से पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है।
The message that I want to give to my juniors is that our teachers are working very hard to make us a good students, so we also have to cooperate with them.
I want to give the message to the juniors that they should be cooperate with the teachers and they should help each other and they should follow the instructions of Afan sir, such as like Salah, and do not speak lie.
And my message for the junior is that never lose your hope and your self-confidence. If you have your self-confidence, then you can reach any of your goal, and never think that you cannot do anything. And वैसे तो यहाँ पे है ही teachers to cooperate you, so never lose your and self-confidence, and you can do what you want. Thanks.
Message to our juniors is that they should be thankful to the nature and they must be cooperate with the teachers. If they would be cooperate to the teachers, teachers are doing very effort, doing very much work for the student so that they could make the students understand. But if the students do not want to study, then none teacher can study them properly. So it is your responsibility to follow the teacher's order.
I want to give lesson to my juniors that be transparent to your teachers and make fun.
I wanna give message to my juniors that they should read very good. Means जैसा कि सर लोग इतना effort लगाते हैं हम लोग पे पढ़ने के लिए, तो उन्हें भी अपना देना चाहिए, मतलब contribution देना चाहिए पढ़ने में, और फन के साथ पढ़ना चाहिए, बर्डन लेकर नहीं, ताकि अच्छे बने बड़े होके और कहीं जाएं तो नाम रोशन करें।
I would also want to tell the juniors and all that if any teacher or any senior is saying something that's not for just not for in vain, we can say, but all the things were good and all things finally result in something much good and much better return. And the same thing is, and the juniors must follow what the teachers say. I mean the good advice.
Listen, that I want to give to our junior that our teachers always do a lot of things for us, so we must have to cooperate with them, and we will have so much fun in studying. So don't take studying as a burden, take it as a fun.